Hey, what's up? How are you doing, guys? Welcome to Apple Tech Review. Today I want to show you how you can make subscribe button the base for your YouTube channel. So watch this video until the end if you know you want to make a best subscribe button. Yeah, so from this video we are going to use the already made subscribe buttons with a green background. So to get this one you have to search on, for example, YouTube, a subscribe button with green background, or you can search on the Google. So you have to use this one, and here you have to choose the ratio of 16:9. So once you open here, then you have to click on that video, the one you have downloaded. After clicking on it, then you choose the part which you want to use exactly. For example, this is the video, so the part I want to use, I want this subscribe button. I want this one. So you have to trim it, cut this part which you don't want. Once you cut it and you find you want only this part, and you only want it like this, then you have to export it. Once you export it like that, yeah, so after exporting and you want to add it in your video, just put your video. For example, you have a video which you want to show this subscribe. Let me show you. For example, this is the video and I want to show that, so I have to come here to layers, then add, then select. This is it. Yeah, after selecting it, bring it here like this. How you want it to appear. So this is the way I want it to appear, but how do I remove this green background? This green background, when you click on subscribe button like that, it will bring these settings. So choose Chrome key, then activate Chrome key. Green background will disappear. Then once you play the video, it has made it also to look like that. This is the way it will show up. Start menu. Yeah, then if you want to add some music in the background, you can also download the music and you put it also in the background. Yeah, then another button which I can show you, which you can also design. So let's delete this video, so delete this one. So let us put that button so that we can first design it. Yeah, let me show you. Where is it? Yeah, so this is the button now. So this is the button and you want to design it, and after designing it, that's when you will start using it. So this button, you want to put your photo here. So it's also very simple. Time it where it comes up like this, then bring your photo, go and bring your photo as a layer. You have to bring it in a layer format. From here you click on media. Yeah, so this is the photo. Bring it here, put it on this logo. So this is the subscribe button which I like most. Yeah, then design, put also animation for this one to come in same time with subscribe button. Yeah, time it like that, then bring it here so to come fast with, yeah, add it more, yeah, like that, so that it covers the previous photo which was there. Yeah, then also you can also write your name like that, or you can also click here, you write your text the way you want it, yeah, like that. So once you design it the way you want it, so guys, after designing it, you also do the same thing, you export. Once you export, I show you how you can use it after exporting it. Yeah, so after exporting it, you, for example, you want to use it in the video, so bring in the video. This is the video. I want to bring it in the, I want to use it in the video. Then click on the layer, click on media, choose for the button you have, the one you have made. Yeah, so this is the subscribe button, the one I've designed. Put it like here. You can increase size or reduce the size. Then after, you click on Chrome key, enable Chrome key, then you can pray now.
Video calling, but
your subscribe button will work perfect.
Microsoft term.
So that is the way how you can
build it.
Use subscribe buttons. Then another one, a simple one, which you can design anytime without downloading any green background, is whereby you're in the video, then you click on layers, then you click on media, you go to you use subscribe. For example, use this subscribe word, you put it here. Then from here you give it animation for pop-up, like that, pop-up. Then without changing the timings, you also bring you go to text, then you look for thumbs up, you bring this one, you increase size, rotate it like this, you bring it here, make some little adjustments. Then you also put animation for pop-up, like that. So that once you pray like this,
they are trying to market it or to rotate
it will come up, then this one will fall up. Yeah. Then you also have to put animation for out animation. Okay, also here put out animation, like that.
They are trying to market it or to replace it with Skype, as I can say. Yeah,
like that. But then also you can add bear, go on text, search for bear, then you can bring it from your emojis. These are keyboard emojis. Yeah, also put it here beside subscribe button. Oh sorry, let's go back here. Yeah, so put it here beside. You can put this one together here, then deprecate this one, deprecate, then also use it here. Yes, and here you have to change increase the length, also here increase the length. Yes, this one is for the bear, so it has to be and it in front. They don't have to come up together. So the bear also give it animations. Slide up, yes, also out animation. Slide down. Slide down. Yeah.
They are trying to market it or to repress it.
They'll show up like that.
I can say, yeah,
like that. Again down. Yeah. So that is the simple one. That is the simple one for the one you can make without downloading anything. Yeah, so guys, thanks for watching. You can try that one, or you can leave us also a comment if you like the video and give thumbs up. All right, thank you for watching.